Hello, I'm Jim from BarnTools. Welcome to the BarnTools studio. Today I'm going to give a quick tutorial on how to install your water meter. BarnTalk sells 5 water meters in 1/4 inch increment sizes, starting at a 1/2 inch up to 1.5 inches. Water meters look like this. When you receive the water meter, it also comes with 2 fittings. This is a union fitting. On this end is a pipe thread that gets threaded into your existing supply line. In this case, this is the 3/4 inch meter, 3/4 inch threads. On the other side is a flat face seal with a rubber gasket that you want to make sure you install when you install your meter. These are standard pipe threads. Recommend installing those with a pipe sealant or Teflon tape. The only other thing you need to be aware of when installing your meter, it is directional. So you want to make sure the direction of the water matches the arrow that's on the outside of the meter's housing. Thanks everybody. Good luck installing your meter.